Recording in progress.
Hey. Pick up trucks. Cars. They drive on roads. Is the cab. There are seats in the cab. Super cabs and double cabs are the biggest cabs. The bed is the back part of a truck. At the things. The bed is the back part of a truck. It is for carrying things. Open the tailgate to put things in the bed. One person drives the pickup, another person is a passenger. 3 or more people can fit inside a pickup. A big trolley is a pickup. It has 4 wheels at the back. It has 2 wheels in front. It can pull heavy trailers. Pickup trucks haul machines. They drive over rough roads. Goodbye, pickup trucks. Picture a pickup truck. Mirror, cab, seats, bumper, wheels, tailgate, bed. Words to know. Dually, a pickup truck with 2 seats, 2 sets of rear wheels. Passenger, someone who rides in a vehicle but does not drive it. Tailgate, the end of a pickup truck bed that can be lowered or taken up. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye until next time.